Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about two powerful days that we have coming to the San Diego area. On Thursday, November 8th, it's going to be Generate More Leads for Free. This is a session that is open to everybody, not just Keller Williams, not just real estate, but all industries. Be ready to apply the techniques that I'm going to be sharing with you in this class right there in the class. So bring your laptop and be ready to apply all these awesome techniques. I had one agent get 63 listings in 1 hour. I had a non-real estate business generate over 300 leads earlier this month, which equated to about $80,000 in their business. That's a pretty good $80,000 day. So definitely a class you do not want to miss. Then on Friday, November 9th, we're going through the power of KW Tech. We're talking about all the great things that Keller Williams provides to their agents now, and then all the amazing new tools that are going to be coming very, very soon. So again, bring your laptop for both days. RSVP to Kayln at kw.com. It's $49 a day or $89 for both days. Address 9626 Carlton Hills Boulevard, Santee, California. And I will see you guys in November.